So we are asked to find our dy dx in this expression, that y equals to 1 over x square root of x. So first of all, we need to simplify this so that the work will be very easy for us. Okay, this right hand side, we have that y is equals to 1 all over x. Let's say this is x multiplied by x to the power of 1 over 2, because square root simply means power half. Okay, and we know that this x has invisible power 1. So our y is equals to 1 over. In our laws of indices, we have that if we have the same base, we can add up the powers. We can take one base, add up the powers. So we take 1x, we add up the powers, 1 plus half. So our y is equals to 1 over x, 1 plus our half is 3 over 2. So, and we know that if you have something like 1 over x is equals to x raised to the power minus 1. So the same way, we can change this to x equals to x raised to the power minus 3 over 2. So the expression looks a bit simple right now. So we need to find our dy dx now. So our dy dx, as we know, is equals to a x to the power of n, where a is a constant, n is also a constant. If we apply the same formula here, our dy dx will be equals to, we use the power to multiply the constant, minus 3 over 2 multiplied by 1. I need to write this up. Okay, x minus 3 over 2, which is the power minus 1. Okay, let's go up here. Okay, we have that our dy dx will be equal to minus 3 over 2 times 1, the same thing, minus 3 over 2x, minus 3 over 2 minus 1 will give us minus 5 over 2, minus 5 over 2. So our dy dx will be equals to minus 3 over 2x to the power of minus 5 over 2. You can leave the answer here, or you can simplify further. If you wish to simplify further, we can say, okay, that our dy dx will be equals to minus 3 over 2 multiplied by, we try to separate this minus 3 over 2 from this x, multiplied by 3 to the power of minus 5 over 2. Okay, this is equals to minus 3 over 2. And we know that we can change this to remove this negative sign by reciprocation, I think. Yeah. So this will be equals to, this will be equals to 1 over x to the power of positive 5 over 2. So we impute it here. So this will be minus 3 over 2 multiplied by 1 over x to the power of 5 over 2. So our dy dx will be equal to minus 3 times 1 will be minus 3 over 2 times x raised to the power x 5 over 2 will be 2x to the power of 5 over 2 as simplified answer.